the kind of girl that you could be down for.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pisces Finest, and I'm back with another video, aka wig install, aka wig review. I'll be reviewing this gorgeous 16-inch deep curly wig. Here's the wiggy. I deep conditioned her, bleached the knots, and plucked her. So this is how she looks right now. I forgot to part it though, so let's go. Oh, I was gonna put makeup on here like I always do first on the bald cap. I did my bald cap off camera. It's okay, because I have a whole video that just reached 1 million views. Thank you guys on my bald cap method. I'm so excited that my views from like years ago are now reaching 1 million. It's so cool, and I just fucked up my bald cap method. Threw that baby back on. Okay, now that I fixed my bald cap, we can finally put this wig on. I'm excited to put this wig on because I haven't worn a wig. Oh Lord, it's too small. I haven't worn a wig like this in a long time. It really sucks when they send me wigs that are too small, because like this would have been cute if I could show the ends, but now I'm just gonna have to wear it in a middle part and not show the sides or nothing. Like, damn, y'all really fumbled. Anyways, I'm gonna put some powder on the lace of the wig because I can see that it's kind of bright. So I'm just going like this and putting my powder. Okay, so this is about where the wig is gonna go to. On the sides, it's probably not gonna come all the way down. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know, depending on how hard I pull it, it might. So we'll just have to see. I'm gonna start with this side. Gonna pull it as far as it can possibly go. And then today I'm using Bold Hold, the pink bottle. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah, pull this down. Apply the glue to the lace. Whoa, the fuck? Anyways. Yeah, this is just doing a lot. So, I forgot that this one isn't like the other glue that I use that has a little precise mini applicator, so that when I put it on, it comes out in little tiny dots. But this one is definitely not like that. I forgot who I'm dealing with. Bold Hold, not Kiss Almighty. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub that in. Put that back down. We're dealing with a lot of glue here, so hopefully it dries correctly. Okay, other side. I just cut a little bit of the bottom because, as you can see, it looks really weird down there. It's not layered at all, but it's layered all throughout the top. So I'm just cutting some. Need more glue in the middle, so I'm just gonna go in and tap 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 some glue right there. Of course it doesn't want to come out because Bold Hold is ghetto. Ugh! And then it all wants to come out at the same time. I'm gonna put some on the sides here because they clearly missed the memo. Glue. This boho glue dries so fast. Okay, so now that that's secure, I'm gonna put some conditioner in the hair because it got kind of dry. Just to give it some more moisture. Yeah, okay. Cool. Now to cut the lace. So I'm just gonna cut it using my little shears. Let's do it. Oh, child. What do we have here? Light ass lace. I even put makeup on it already and it's still light as hell. Well, I'm gonna have to leave my ear under the wig because if I bring it out, the lace will come up. So ears are staying flat. Let's do the next side. Taking my Got To Be Free spray. Oh. Just gonna spray it right there and at the top. I'm gonna cut some baby hair. Well, I'm gonna just cut edges because this wig don't even like it got edges like that. So go along here. I don't even know, like, this is how much I'm cutting for edges. Like that. So I have my edges there. I'm just gonna brush them back for now. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I don't know how this wig gonna turn out, but I'm hoping for the best. Just putting edge control all over the edges. Gel, this is gel, not edge control. And I'm also putting it like just a lot on the front because I know I want that part to like, I'm about to do my baby hairs. Using my little brushy edge brush. First I'm just gonna brush back. Make sure the lace doesn't come up. What's happening here? Okay, we're getting somewhere. I wish this was a closure wig. Like, they would have been way better off making this a closure wig, but it's fine. Now that that's done, okay. Well, this is a little bit how the wig's gonna look, but I haven't really put makeup on it, so I'm gonna put my scarf on first and let it marinate. And then I'm gonna go put some clothes on and come back. Okay, taking this off now. See what's happening under there. All right, it's okay. We're doing okay under there. Do something with this part, like, okay. So I'm going to contour my forehead because, yeah, that hasn't happened. Just gonna go ahead and do that. And while I'm contouring, I'm definitely gonna apply some to the lace to make it darker. Because even like the scalp area, it's just too light. I don't know what's going on there. Like, why? Whose forehead is that light? Everybody's forehead is gonna be darker than the rest of their face. It's not adding up. It's not adding up. Okay, so we're basically done. I just wanna add a little bit of layers to the wig in the front, like right here. just like going like this, going like that, in the front, yeah, there we go. On this side too, I'm gonna take the front, take some of this part. I don't know how the back, oh Lord, the back needs it. The back definitely needs some layers. Oh gosh. I'm probably gonna end up putting a hat on at this point because what is happening? The back, as you can see, is like kind of flat. It's not giving any volume at all. Maybe it's just because it's not dry. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't want to stick around to find out. Let's add some more conditioner. And I'm gonna add some more water too. Like the volume is all down here. I don't know. Okay, let me zoom out. All right, here's the finished product. It's actually cute, but I know myself and I'm on my period also, like I'm kind of cranky, so it's bothering me a little bit, but it's actually really cute. What is this? Why? Okay, yeah, it's actually really cute. So all the links to this wig will be in the description box. If you're interested, shop it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit for today because it's cute. Ooh. Okay, gym body coming through. Okay, thank you. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looks like after 8 hours of wearing it. It's all the way dry now. Pretty curly, pretty full. I love it now. It's like perfect. It looks like my natural hair. Like I got compliments so many times today on this hair. Everyone's like, I love your hair. I'm like, thanks, it's a wig. They're like, it's a wig. Yes, girl, it's a wig. So yeah, anyways, okay. Thanks for watching.
The kind of girl that you could